We all begin the same way, curious, watching the world with wide eyes, believing that anything is possible. A child in a small town, a student in a crowded city, a dream forming quietly, somewhere deep inside. Before the rules, before the limits, before the system told us who we were supposed to be. Across every country, every culture, every language, we all share the same beginning: hope. As we grow, the world grows louder. We are taught how life works: go to school, get good grades, find a job, work harder, trade time for money, trade dreams for stability. From 9 to 5, from paycheck to paycheck. The system keeps moving, and most of us are told this is just how it is. In London, in Toronto, in Mumbai, in Sao Paulo, in Tokyo, in Paris, in Dubai, in Amsterdam, in Amman, in Riyadh. Different cities, same story. Today, the world is more connected than ever. One click reaches across oceans. One message crosses borders instantly. We share ideas, culture, news, and opportunity. Yet for many, opportunity still feels far away. The cost of living rises, time feels smaller, pressure grows heavier. People work harder than ever, but fall further behind. Not because they lack intelligence, not because they lack effort, but because the system was never built for everyone. We are living in a time of change. Inflation, economic uncertainty, automation, artificial intelligence. Some fear it, some resist it, and some are left behind by it. But change is not the enemy. Lack of access is. The world does not need more workers trapped in systems that no longer serve them. The world needs tools, systems that work for people, not against them. For the first time in history, intelligence is no longer limited to the few. Artificial intelligence is here, not to replace people, but to empower them, to remove complexity, to level the playing field. From a student in Africa, to a single parent in North America, to a worker in Asia. The same tools, the same access. A global system for everyday people. This is where a new system begins. Go is not just a platform. It is an operating system for opportunity, designed for real people, built to work anywhere in the world, powered by artificial intelligence, guided by simplicity, and focused on financial control. For too long, financial systems were complex by design, reserved for institutions, hidden behind walls of information. Go changes that. With AI-driven trading, with intelligent automation, with tools designed to help, not confuse. This is about control. Control of time, control of money, control of your future. No matter where you are in the world, Go is here. Welcome to Go Global. The system is changing, and now you're part of it.
The world has changed forever, and technology is evolving at a speed never before experienced. We have started to see AI almost everywhere we look. Robots, cars, wearable technology, just to name a few examples. And it's causing lots of emotions, from excitement to concern. The ways people live their lives are changing. GoAI's interest in particular is the way that people create income, use intelligent systems to scale that income, and it's proven that using these technologies gives an advantage. Indeed, the world has changed as we know it. We at GoAI have studied this technological revolution with a specific focus on using AI to drive powerful results in the financial markets, and we have succeeded with new, remarkable innovations. What we've built is an ecosystem for this new era, empowering people with more confidence and knowledge, giving them a powerful advantage in the financial markets. So whether you're someone who feels left out of investing and is unsure how AI can benefit you, or you're an experienced investor looking for smarter, AI-enhanced strategies to enhance your portfolio, GoAI can help. We provide our global community with proven education and AI systems. GoAI is not a typical trading or investing platform. It's not a signals group, and it's not education without real-world application. GoAI was built by experienced and profitable traders, incredible quant developers, and amazing educators. Exceptional people who understand markets, systems, and how people actually learn in a world powered by AI. Regardless of your background, race, or gender, GoAI is helping people profit from the financial markets. We're a global community made up of everyday people from all around the world, learning, building, and growing together inside the same ecosystem.
At the heart and soul of GoAI is GoOS, your trading coach. Imagine artificial intelligence helping you navigate your way through the market. Picture a new trader opening up a chart, not knowing whether to buy or sell a certain asset. This is where GoAI comes into place. You simply ask it a direction, a bias in the market, and it answers with precision.
So let's take a closer look at GoOS. This is our integrated interface into the GoAI platform. And what GoOS actually does is it's going to become your artificial intelligent trading coach. It can analyze real-time data, filter market noise. It powers Go's alerts, insights, tools, one ecosystem that controls it all and acts as a personal talking assistant when it comes to your trading. So let's talk about the personalized trading intelligence. It's going to get to know your name, your goals. It's going to want to understand your consistency, your capital, your risk tolerance, and it can ultimately analyze its intelligent-based signals based off of strategy. Its code engine works on market structure shifts, liquidity zones, market exhaustion, order blocks. These are things that it's going to interpret before it gives you a bias in the market. You can also send it a screenshot for chart analysis. Simply take a photo of a chart, send it to GoOS, boom, it's going to give you that answer in real time. Speaking of real time, performance and tracking is on the interface. It lets you know exactly your win to loss ratio based on a score. And it's nice to look back as a trading journal to know if you're on point or not. Live news and updates is also integrated into GoOS, giving you a real in-depth look at the news. Multi-language support and real-time communication obviously helps this seamless process seem even easier. This is the database. This is the chat box where you would communicate with GoOS. This is where you get to choose your style of trading, whether it be swing, scalp, or trend analysis. You can always go back to the home button to check what's going on with active trades and your latest signals, or you can jump right back into the chat and you can ultimately edit your parameters for what it is that you want to achieve. Here we're showing the latest signals. And if you click the latest signal, you're going to see an entry price. You're going to see a stop loss. You're going to see a take profit 1 and 2. And you can always, again, go back into it to edit the criteria, or you can just check simple updates if it's in profit or if it's not in profit. And you can do this for every single alert GoOS does. You can look back at recent chats, you can look back at the news, and you can also look at current market rates. This is a feature that's going to be coming in the second quarter of the year. This is live coaching. Simply talk to GoOS and boom, you're going to have your answer.
GoOS is its own integrated interface into Go AI where you can converse, it can analyze, and you can achieve massive trading results in a seamless transition with one click.
As we were developing GoOS, we realized something important. Even the most powerful AI is useless if people don't understand how to think, learn, and operate alongside of it. So we asked GoOS a simple question. What is the best way to educate everyday people before they start using you? And what are the most important subjects they need to understand first? The first thing it gave us wasn't a tool, it wasn't even another service. It was education. That's how Go Library was born. Go Library is the educational foundation of the Go AI ecosystem, covering all the way from market to applied to advanced foundation. Let's take a closer look at how Go Library works in real time. Market foundation is where everything starts. Before you even place a trade, you need to understand what trading even is. This is about learning what moves different financial markets. You'll also learn the psychology of trading, how to actually make profit, why traders lose money, different expectations to have, and the difference between trading and investing. We also break down how institutions, banks, funds, and large players interact with the chart, so you stop thinking the market is random and start seeing structure. Market foundation gives you the confidence to look at any chart and actually understand what's happening instead of hoping you're right. Because the goal isn't to rush your first trade, the goal is to build real understanding. So when you do trade, it's intentional, not emotional. It's also available in 14 languages. Once you understand how the market actually works, the next step is learning how to operate inside of it. And that's where Applied Foundation comes in. Applied Foundation is where theory turns into real-world skills. You take everything you learned about price movements, sessions, and institutional behavior, and now you learn how to apply it inside live markets with the actual tools traders use every single day. This is for all financial markets, the forex market, the stock market, and the cryptocurrency market. In forex, that means learning how to use platforms like MT5, understanding proper risk management so you're not overexposing yourself, knowing how news events impact currency movements, and using TradingView to read charts, identifying trends, and structure trades with intention. We also expand beyond forex into stocks, breaking down how stock market works, how to evaluate which stocks make sense to invest in, and which platforms are best to use depending on your goal. And in the cryptocurrency market, you'll learn the fundamentals from the ground up, blockchain basics, different types of trading and investing, how to use tools like CoinMarketCap, how exchanges work, how to create and use accounts, and the difference between spot, futures, and CFDs. Applied Foundation is about execution, reading charts, managing risk, and confidently moving from understanding the market to actually participating in it within structure, clarity, and control. Once you've built your understanding with the market foundation and you've learned how to apply it through real tools and real markets in Applied Foundation, the final step is Advanced Foundation. This is where trading stops feeling reactive and starts becoming precise. Advanced Foundation is about mastering high-level market structure, understanding liquidity, and executing with intention instead of emotion. You're no longer asking, what is the market doing? You're asking, where is the market most likely to go and why. At this level, we break down candle details so you understand what price is actually communicating in real time, not just what indicators are showing you after the fact. You learn how to properly read market structure, identify shifts, continuations, key decision points, and draw trends that actually matter, not lines that look good but don't hold weight. Advanced Foundation also focuses heavily on consistency and psychology because strategy only works when execution is controlled. This is where traders refine their approach, eliminate overtrading, and learn to operate with patience, confidence, and discipline. This level is designed for traders who are ready to stop guessing, stop forcing trades, and start operating with clarity, control, and long-term confidence in the market.
Once the foundation was built through Go Library, the next question became obvious. Education gives people understanding, but understanding still needs execution. So again, we went back to GoOS and we asked, how do people learn faster by theory alone or by watching experts operate in real time? That's how Go and Tell was created. Go and Tell is our real-time alert system. Inside Go and Tell, members can follow and learn from top educators, analysts from around the world. These experts are analyzing the markets daily, identifying high winning opportunities, and sending those insights directly to the community.
Let's take a look at how you can actually utilize our Go and Tell. Here in the Go and Tell tab, you will find alert channels for all financial markets: the Forex market, the stock market, and the cryptocurrency market. Whichever market you're interested in, you can join channels and follow top educators from around the world. They're analyzing the markets every single day, identifying the best trade opportunities and sending them straight to you. Essentially, you can mimic their success. If they make money, you make money. If you can send a text message, you can enter a trade alert. So let's take a look at how this looks in real time and how simple it is. As soon as you join our Go and Tell Telegram bot, you would number one, choose your language, and number two, you'd be authenticated to have our main channels where our experts are available: Go Crypto, Go Forex, and Go Stocks. Within Go Crypto, you have 4 separate experts: an expert sending you spot signals, an expert sending you crypto futures signals, an expert sending you crypto CFD signals, and an expert telling you how to invest in the cryptocurrency market. If you are a person that is focused on Forex trading, you have multiple channels, being gold signal channel, NDCs signal channels, oil signal channel, Forex pairs channels, and most importantly, gold swing channel. If you're a person that are interested in investing in the stock world, you would get 3 major channels. Number 1, which is stock CFD channels. Number 2, investing channel. Number 3, halal investing channel. And that's how you get access to these experts that are sending you signals on a daily basis. Well, all you have to do is follow these experts and you can see their success and you can see when they're entering, when they're exiting, and that's how you have success while our experts have success.
Instead of guessing, members can actually see how professionals think, act, and manage risk in real time. Go Library builds the foundation. Go and Tell shows process in real time. But at a certain point, people want more than understanding and observation. They wanted mastery. So once again, we went back to GoOS and we asked, how do people move from following experts to becoming confident and independent themselves? The answer was hands-on development. That's how GoLab was created, where education is taken to that next level, where members gain access to award-winning strategies and exclusive indicators to understand and diagnose the markets like an expert.
Let's look into how GoLab works. GoLab exists for one specific reason: to teach people how to analyze the market on their own, with structure, confidence, and real understanding. This is the bridge between learning, following, and actually becoming a trader. By the time someone enters GoLab, they've already gone through Go Library, which gives them the education and the foundation. They've experienced Go and Tell, which provides alerts and guidance. And now, GoLab is where everything comes together. Inside of GoLab, there are two main components: GoLab strategies and GoLab indicators. Let's start with the strategies. Our GoLab strategies include the Maestro strategy, the Seeker strategy, and the Strike 90 strategy. The GoLab strategies are designed to teach people how to analyze the market on their own step by step. These aren't random methods. They're structured approaches built for different trading styles. For example, one strategy is built for swing traders. A swing trader is someone who is not trying to be glued to the screen all day. They're looking for longer market moves that play out over days, sometimes even weeks. Swing traders focus on bigger trends, key levels, and higher time frames. They're not reacting to every small price movement. They're patient, strategic, and intentional. The swing trading strategy inside of GoLab shows exactly how to mark up the charts, identify those higher probability zones, and plan trades that don't require constant monitoring. Another strategy is designed for scalpers. Scalping is a faster-paced trading style, where traders look to capture smaller price movements, often within minutes. Scalpers usually trade lower time frames and need very clear structure and precision. Because decisions happen quickly, everything has to be defined in advance: entries, exits, and risk. The scalping strategies inside of GoLab teaches traders exactly how to read short-term market behavior, how to mark up their charts properly. Each strategy walks traders through what to look for, how to mark up their charts, and how to think through the trade. Now, this is where GoLab goes a step further. For many of these strategies, we also provide GoLab indicators. An indicator, in simple terms, is a tool you can add directly into your TradingView chart that visually interprets market data for you. It's not guessing, it's not magic, it's taking complex calculations, structure, and conditions and presenting them clearly on your chart in real time. Instead of manually doing all the analysis yourself, while you're still learning, the indicator helps you highlight key information such as potential buy zones, sell zones, trend direction, or confirmation signals based on the logic of the strategy it's paired with. Think of it as a bridge between learning and execution. The indicator doesn't replace understanding, it supports it. It allows traders to see how professional analysis plays out live, while reinforcing what they're learning through the strategy itself. Over time, this builds confidence, pattern recognition, and independence. GoLab is designed to help users transition from beginner education to guided execution to confident, independent analysis. This is why GoLab is meant to be used after Go Library and alongside of Go and Tell, not instead of them. Education gives you the knowledge, alerts gives you exposure and experience. GoLab gives you the skill. That's the prerogative of GoLab, to turn educated participants into capable, confident traders who can analyze, execute, and grow without dependence.
Now, you've seen the ecosystem. The question becomes, what does this look like when somebody actually plugs in? How do these pieces come together? And how does a regular user move from learning to applying to winning?
As a beginner with a busy schedule, you could learn at your own pace through the Go library. Stay on top of the markets with Go and Tell between classes and work. Practice strategies hands-on in the Go Lab whenever you have time, and utilize Go OS to make confident decisions each day without feeling overwhelmed.
As a profitable investor coming into Go AI, Go OS is built for people who think in outcomes, not busy work. It gives you complete oversight without stealing your time.
In one interface, you see exactly where everything stands. Your capital, your performance, and your direction, all in one place. You make very high-level decisions fast and with clarity. GoOS is designed so the system runs, the data speaks, and you stay in control. That means more focus on your strategy and on your scaling and on the bigger vision you are building, not dashboards that feel like a second job. This isn't about doing more. It's about seeing more, deciding faster, and moving with certainty.
Many of us have become accustomed to promoting lifestyles online. It's something that's very normal, especially in millennials and Gen Z. And here at GoAI, we reward you to be you, to utilize your own personality and influence in our contribution model that actually pays.
What if the real game starts outside your comfort zone? Wake up, go to work, regular job, back home, sleep. Build a system. Show up your current commitment. Develop skill. Learn, apply, repeat. Stay consistent. Small wins every week. The real game isn't inside comfort, it's in contribution. Welcome to the contribution model.
Our contribution model rewards earnings through impact. Given the world is so different today, people typically use social media to promote products and services. Maybe you're like me. I scroll on social media, I see something I like, and typically purchase it through that link. Now, what's amazing about our contribution model is you can reward yourself through impact. The more people that utilize GoAI through your coded link, you can be paid. There's 3 ways to earn through impact using our contribution model: Go Fast, Go Vault, and Go Link, all attributing to your overall income in GoAI. Go Fast is a simple one-time commission as you make a sale in GoAI. Go Vault takes a portion of every single sale worldwide in GoAI and pays it out to the top nomads on a Friday. And Go Link is our binary structure based on residual income and ranks.
Every major shift in human progress has followed the same pattern. From smoke signals to the printing press, to the telegraph, to the telephone, to mobile phones and social media, talking to one another with the use of satellites in space, and even connecting wires to the brain of a paralytic, enabling them to move a cursor on a monitor. At the beginning, it looks unfamiliar. Then it becomes unavoidable, and eventually it becomes invisible, simply part of everyday life. AI is at that exact inflection point right now. Not a future concept, but an early adoption window where real infrastructure is being built, not just headlines about what's coming in the future. What we're seeing is the evolution of how people create income, from retail to online commerce to the creator economy, and now to an intelligent, service-based, decentralized opportunity. The companies and people that win in moments like this are the ones that launch the right systems at the right time. That's why this matters. That's why we all believe we are and you are in the right place at the right time. GoAI has already changed the lives of thousands for the better, my life included, and I know it can do the same for you.
A nomad is a digital entrepreneur who builds and earns income from anywhere in the world, free from limits of location or traditional systems. As GoAI continues to grow rapidly, let's take a look at where our nomads are building from.
السلام عليكم، يا أهلا وسهلا بالجميع. معكم أخوكم محمد شامية من الأردن. صار لي تقريبا 20 ساعة بين المطارات لحد ما وصلنا هون على كندا عشان نحضر الافتتاح الرسمي والرئيسي لشركة GoAI. بآخر 5 سنين بمسيرتنا، أصعب إشي كان بالنسبة لي إنه ألاقي مكان أنا أقدر فعليا أعمل منه مصدر دخل وأكون عم بحقق كل إشي أنا بدي إياه، بنفس الوقت يكون ماشي على مبادئ صح، بالقيم الصح، وبكل شيء يكون ماشي بالشكل السليم لمصلحة الناس أولا. والحمد لله رب العالمين حاليا احنا هون أسسنا شركتنا الأولى جو اي اي، وبحب أحكي لكم إنه بالسنين الجاي راح تشوفوا كمية نجاحات جدا ضخمة وكبيرة بالوطن العربي، وإن شاء الله تعالى راح نسافر ونقابل كل الأشخاص بأغلب هاي الدول، ونشوفكم إن شاء الله على خير.
السلام عليكم، معكم شجاع نصيف عايش من الأردن، وعم بصور هذا الفيديو بتوقيت أبدا مو مناسب. بنص الاجتماع قاطعونا وحكوا لنا إنه هذا الفيديو لازم يروح للناس اللي بتحضرنا بجو بيوند ايفنت. بدي أوصل بس نقطة واحدة، الناس تعبت من كثرة الخيارات اللي موجودة ومن نص الحلول اللي متوفرة، والإشي اللي بيشوفوه بعالم الأونلاين والإشي اللي بيشوفوه على السوشيال ميديا. أنا موجود في أكثر مدينة متطورة بالعالم اللي هي دبي، ولكن اليوم دبي تطورت بكثر التطور الموجود اليوم. 95% من أنظمتها وحكوماتها ومؤسساتها وبنوكها وأفرادها وشركاتها صارت مبنية على الذكاء الاصطناعي. كيف ممكن نكون إحنا الشركة الأولى اللي مبنية بشكل كامل بالذكاء الاصطناعي وتقدم للناس أدوات الاستثمار بالذكاء الاصطناعي، أدوات التداول بالذكاء الاصطناعي، أدوات البزنس بالذكاء الاصطناعي، لأنه إحنا مؤمنين إنه كل إنسان له الحق بالثروة، لأنه هذا إشي من ربنا. فكيف ممكن نوفر هاي أدوات الثروة اللي بتوصل للناس لهذا الطريق بالذكاء الاصطناعي في هاي المجالات؟ وما دام عندنا هاي الخبرة طول هاي السنوات ووصلنا لهيك نتيجة وهيك واقع، بدي اياك تتأكدي إنه جو اي اي حتشوفها جو بيوند في كل مكان بالعالم، وحنبني بإذن رب العالمين أكبر وأقوى نظام ذكاء الاصطناعي في جانب الاستثمار وجانب البزنس. كونوا موجودين معنا، بتمنى لكم التوفيق.
اهلا فيكم في جو اي اي، وهلا صار فينا نحكيها بصوت عالي، صارت موجوده في فلسطين.
اهلا بكم جو اي اي، رانا متواجدين اليوم في الجزائر.
Welcome, Go AI, now operating in Australia.
Welcome, Go AI is now live in Canada.
歡迎大家嚟到 Go AI， 而家喺
Dobrodošli Go AI, od sada službeno u Hrvatskoj.
Welcome to Go AI, nu till i Danmark.
مرحبا بكم في Go AI. صارت موجودة هسه بالعراق.
Benvenuto Go AI, adesso operativo anche in Italia.
Welcome, Go AI, now operating in Jamaica.
حياكم الله. Go AI صارت موجودة بجرش الأردن.
Karibu Go AI, sasa inafanya kazi nchini Kenya.
هونگش بخير هاتنن نها جو اي اي لهر چار پرچه كردستاني هي.
يا هلا وغلا والله فيكم في جو اي اي، اليوم صارت موجودة بالكويت.
Welcome to Go AI، وهلا صرنا موجودين بلبنان.
يا أهلا فيكم بجو اي اي، والآن بدأت موجودة بليبيا.
مرحبا بكم في جو اي اي جلوبال في المغرب.
يا أهلا فيكم بجو اي اي، صرنا متوفرين بسلطنة عمان.
Go AI में खुश आमदीद, अब पाकिस्तान में भी दस्तयाब.
Welcome Go AI, nag-ooperate dito sa Pilipinas.
Bun venit Go AI, acum este live în România.
Добро пожаловать в Go AI, теперь мы работаем в России.
مرحبا مليون فيكم في Go AI، والآن صارت موجودة في السعودية.
Dobrodošli v Go AI, ki sedaj operira tudi v Sloveniji.
أهلا بكم في Go AI اللي بقت موجودة في السودان.
Välkommen till Go AI, nu verksam i Sverige.
يا أهلا وسهلا فيكم بجو اي اي. جو اي اي اليوم صارت موجودة بسوريا.
Welcome, Go AI, now operating in Trinidad and Tobago.
Go AI'ya hoş geldiniz. Şu anda Türkiye'deyiz.
أهلا وسهلا فيكم في جو اي اي، الحين صارت موجودة ويانا في الإمارات العربية المتحدة.
Welcome Go AI, now operating in UK.
Takula ndani. Go AI titubuya nchito kuzambia. Ziko.
And that concludes our Go AI presentation. You will find below the video an encoded link to get started with your activator. You simply click this link and you can take advantage of an offer 60 to 90 days to waive your monthly fees.
When it comes to accessing the Go ecosystem, we offer 3 different memberships designed to meet people at different stages of their journey. Those memberships are Go Connect, Go Create, and Go Complete, and each one unlocks more of the system working with you. Go Connect provides access to the essential layers of the ecosystem. With Go Connect, you receive Go Intel Lite, which gives you exposure to market alerts and insights, Go OS Lights, introducing you to the intelligence engine behind the system. This membership allows users to stay connected to the markets and the ecosystem, but it is designed for those who prefer lighter guidance and less hands-on interaction with analysis and execution. Go Create unlocks a deeper level of clarity and education. It includes everything in Go Connect plus full Go Intel for expanded market intelligence, Go Lab, where users learn how to analyze charts, apply strategies, and understand market behavior independently, Go OS Lite continuing to support decision making. Go Create is for those who want more context, more learning, more involvement in understanding how trades are formed, not just receiving information. This membership renews after 60 days, giving users space to experience the tools before renewal. Go Complete is the most supported way to be inside the Go AI ecosystem. And for many, especially beginners, it is the most comfortable place to start. It includes full Go Intel, Go Lab for strategy, mastery, and chart confidence, Go OS Pro, the most advanced intelligence layer, offering personalized trading support, deeper context, performance tracking, adaptive insights that evolves with the user. Go Complete is designed for people who don't want to guess, piece things together, or rely on trial and error. Instead of needing to figure it out, users are supported by the full system, working together in real time. This membership renews 90 days later, giving longest runaway to experience the ecosystem before renewal. All memberships are $170 per month. The difference is not the price, it's how much guidance and intelligence you want surrounding you while you learn and grow. Go Library. No matter which membership you choose, Go Library is included for lifetime access. That means the education you unlock is yours forever, even if you choose not to renew later. Learning is permanent, support scales with access. Some people prefer limited access, others prefer full support. The ecosystem works either way. The question is, how supported you want to feel while you're learning.
We're actually excited about our next step, which is Go Beyond. Go Beyond, we're going to be in February. We're attempting to break a world record of the most events worldwide in one day. And after that, we have our Go All In convention. We can't wait to see all of you guys there.
Thank you for attending. See you on the next one.
Take care.